checking things. We have had a major windstorm here today. And I'm just coming to check on how my sheep are doing and how all the other animals are doing. So yeah, and show you guys the damage that happened. It wasn't very fun. That's what happened today. Our machine shed disappeared. Well, it's still there. It just went upside down. You want to switch spots with your dad? Already. chickens is here. Son and I were busy tearing this apart in the summer, but we didn't get done. It needs a whole overhaul on the outside. We're switching this really thin plywood for the red plywood from that thing from the machine shed falling over. We're gonna piece it together and make this a good chicken coop again. And yeah, it'll be good for the birds for the winter. Now I'm bringing you back to the back area. Our driveway kind of loops around the shop, and my husband brought two of these two of the big beams from the machine shed back here, because this is where eventually we will be rebuilding it. This is how the boards are I guess you could, I think it's called laminated together. They're on an angle, and then there was 1x10 on top of these on both sides, nailed down to hold the joins in place. But yeah, we've got two of them still in one piece. There's one that we managed to get apart into 3 pieces. And yeah, we are going to reuse them because they're still good. It's just, we want to have the machine shed back here between that come up post there and on the other side of that hay bind. We're gonna put the machine shed all the way back here, so it's behind everything, and we can drive the equipment in that driveway or in this driveway and pull it around and then back it in where it needs to go. So that is what we've been working on today. The guys are still working on taking the trusses, joists, whatever you want to call them, taking them apart, and then we're going to get at the strapping. I better just turn you around. Hey! The guys are continuing to work on the roof, getting it tore apart. Anything that we're going to be salvaging and using, we're going to put it back in that back spot where I showed you where the beams are. We're going to put it there. Makes more sense, right? Have everything that we're going to reuse in that area, so we can get all that area cleaned up where the machine shed is, or was, and then we don't have to worry about it anymore. Yeah. But now I'm going to go start the kettle for coffee and hot chocolate and get supper on the go. So I will chat with you folks later. Have a good day.